Hi all. In continuation to the previous videos, we'll discuss today one of the important topic with respect to the whole numbers. Okay, we'll discuss today the properties of multiplication with respect to the whole numbers. Okay, we'll discuss about the property called closure property. The first property is closure property. In this, what is the closure property with respect to whole numbers? Okay. If you take x and y, okay, x and y are two whole numbers, okay, when you multiply these x and y, then the result will be also a whole number, okay. So example, when you multiply x and y, when you multiply x and y, the result will be z, okay. If you take any simple example like two whole numbers, like example 5 is one whole number and 6 is another whole number. Okay, when you multiply 5 into 6, 30. So this result is also a whole number. So whole numbers follows closure property with respect to the multiplication. So that means what? When you multiply any two whole numbers, the result will be also a whole number. And similar way, we'll discuss one more topic, that is associative property. What is this associative property? In this associative property, if x, y, z, okay, these are three whole numbers. When you multiply these whole numbers in any sequence like this one, the sequence can be like x into y. Again, for the result, if you multiply with z is equals to, similar way, x when you multiply with y and z. Okay. Example, but the condition is what? X, y, z. These three are whole numbers. Okay. So example, if you take like this, x is 2 and you are multiplying with 5, the result you are multiplying with 4. Okay. And similar way, what is the logic here? X is 2. And y into z. What is y? 5. Z means what? 4. Okay. 2 into 5 how much? 10. 10 4 ja 40. Similar way, 2 into 20. 22 ja 40. So 40 is equal to 40. So what does this property tells? Whole numbers are associative under multiplication. Why? Because if you take any three whole numbers x, y, z, and if you multiply any sequence order, okay, the result will be the same. Now we will discuss about the commutative property of the whole numbers with respect to multiplication. Okay. In this, it is similar to the addition logic which we discussed, but here the operation is getting changed. Okay. Example, x and y are two whole numbers. Okay, x and y are two whole numbers. In this case, when you multiply x into y, and similar way, if you do multiplication in reverse way, okay, y into x, the result will be a whole number. That means when you multiply any two whole numbers in any sequence, okay, the result will be same. Example, if you take 10, x value is 10 and y value is 4. And here the sequence is getting the reverse, that is y is 4 and x is 10. 10 4 ja 40 and 4 10 ja 40. Okay. So whole numbers are commutative with respect to multiplication. That means what? If you take any two whole numbers, if you do multiplication in any of the sequence, either this sequence or the reverse sequence, the result will be the same. That means the equivalent value of the two whole numbers when you do multiplication will be same. Okay. Now we will discuss about one more property, that is multiplication identity. Multiplication identity, or we can call this multiplication identity. Okay. Here example, any whole number, okay, any whole number if you multiply with 1, then that means what? The same number will come. Okay, if you multiply 1 with any whole number, the result will be the same number which you are multiplying. Example, 5 into 1, 5. 10 into 1, 10. 1 into 25 is equal to how much? 25. So here what is 1? 1 is the multiplication identity. Okay, with respect to the multiplication operation. Okay, so these are the various properties of whole numbers with respect to multiplication. Okay, thank you.